What if I told you confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build? Maybe you stay quiet in class. You overthink every message before sending it. You compare yourself to people who seem to have everything figured out. And every time you want to try something new, a voice inside your head whispers, "You're not good enough." I've been there. Millions of students are there right now. But here's the crazy part. The most confident person you know probably started exactly where you are. So if you feel like your confidence is at zero, don't skip this video. Because by the end, you'll know exactly how to start building real confidence, not fake confidence. Real confidence that stays with you. Let's begin. Part 1. The biggest lie about confidence. Most people think confidence comes first. Then you take action. Wrong. Action comes first. Confidence comes after. Think about riding a bicycle. Were you confident before your first ride? No, you were scared. You fell. You looked awkward. But after practicing, confidence appeared. That's how every skill works. Speaking, studying, making friends, going to the gym, starting a business. Nobody starts confident. Confidence is the reward, not the requirement. So stop waiting to feel ready. Ready is created by action, not by thinking. Part 2. Stop comparing your chapter 1. Let's be honest. Social media is dangerous for confidence. You open Instagram. Someone got an internship. Someone bought a car. Someone has perfect grades. Someone has the perfect body. And suddenly, your life feels small. But remember this, you're comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. That's unfair. Every successful person has failed. You just never saw those moments. The only person you should compare yourself with is the person you were yesterday. Even a 1% improvement matters. Tiny progress builds unstoppable confidence. Part 3. Keep small promises to yourself. Here's a simple question. Would you trust someone who breaks every promise? Probably not. Now ask yourself, do you trust yourself? You say, I'll wake up at 7. You don't. I'll study for 1 hour. You don't. I'll stop scrolling. You don't. Every broken promise tells your brain, I can't rely on myself, and confidence drops. So start ridiculously small. Read 1 page. Do 5 push-ups. Study for 10 minutes. Drink 1 glass of water after waking up. Finish it. Every completed promise sends one message to your brain. I keep my word. That's confidence. IDS move. You can have note to the right about. Part 4. Your body changes your mind. Here's something most students ignore. Your posture. Walk with your shoulders up. Look people in the eyes. Speak a little slower. Take deep breaths. Research shows that your body language affects how you feel. When you look defeated, your brain believes you're defeated. When you stand stronger, your brain slowly follows. Even smiling changes your mood. Your body is constantly sending signals to your brain. Use that to your advantage. Part 5. Build skills, not ego. Real confidence doesn't come from saying, I'm the best. It comes from knowing, I can handle this. Want confidence in exams? Study consistently. Want confidence speaking English? Practice speaking daily. Want confidence in interviews? Do mock interviews. Skill removes fear. The more prepared you are, the calmer you become. Confidence grows where competence grows. Remember that. Part 6. The fear that is secretly controlling you. Most students don't fear failure. They fear embarrassment. What if they laugh? What if I make a mistake? What if people judge me? But think about it. How often do you remember a stranger's mistake? Almost never. People are busy worrying about themselves, not about you. The prison isn't outside. It's inside your own mind. The day you stop trying to impress everyone, you'll finally feel free. Part 7. Your daily confidence routine. Here's a routine you can start today. Morning. Make your bed. Drink water. Move your body for 10 minutes. Don't touch your phone immediately. Win the first hour. You'll feel in control. Afternoon. Study in focused blocks. Complete 1 difficult task first. Celebrate small wins. Progress creates momentum. Evening. Write 3 things you did well today. Even tiny victories count. Then write 1 thing you'll improve tomorrow. Go to sleep knowing you're becoming stronger every day. Confidence isn't built in one big moment. It's built through hundreds of small victories. Part 8. A story you'll never forget. Imagine two students. Both are equally talented. The first waits until he feels confident. He keeps waiting. Weeks become months. Months become years. The second feels scared, but starts anyway. He makes mistakes, gets rejected, learns, improves. 1 year later, everyone calls him naturally confident. They never saw the fear. They only saw the result. The difference wasn't talent. It was action. Conclusion. Listen carefully. You don't need to become someone else. You don't need perfect grades. You don't need expensive clothes. You don't need everyone's approval. You only need one thing: the courage to take the next small step. Confidence isn't built overnight. It's built every single day you choose action over excuses. Some days you'll doubt yourself. That's okay. Some days you'll fail. That's okay too. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. One day you'll look back and realize the person you once wanted to become is now staring back at you in the mirror. So start today, not tomorrow, not next Monday. Today. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button so more students can find it. Subscribe for more videos on discipline, focus, confidence, and building a better life. And share this video with a friend who needs to hear this. I'll see you in the next one.